morning. This is the Crafty Canary, and I just wanted to pop on here for just a minute and tell you a little something. If you watched my YouTube video, not this week, but the week before, I showed you how to make some Swiffer pads for the Swiffer wet jet, some reusable pads that you can wash and continue to use and not have to spend money on the throwaway kind. I just wanted to show you that I had done one and I ran out of my white Velcro, but I had a little bit of black. So I just attached it on there. And again, like I said in the video, this is just for your own sake and for your own cleaning, so it doesn't have to look great. Who cares if there's a little bit of strip of black Velcro instead of white? Nobody's going to know that except you, and now all of Instagram, because I'm telling you that mine has that, but it's really okay. Now, also, I had bound the edges in my video with, I don't have any handy, but with some bias tape. I do have some in my little, this is my remnant bag. It's ribbons and bias tape and cording, all kind of things. I did it in the video on YouTube with the bias tape, and I mentioned that you could do it by either hemming it or by serging it. And I probably have plenty of bias tape I could have done it with, but I was being a little bit quick and trying to do an easy solution, so I did this one by just serging it. You can kind of tell here that it's serged around the edges. Now, I did use some fray check or some, you can use fabric glue to glue the corners so that they wouldn't ravel, but excuse me, but you can kind of tell that this is definitely going to ravel a little bit more than it would do with the bias tape. So it can work, but these probably won't last as long as the ones that I used bias tape on. So I just wanted to give you those quick little tips. I hope you are having a great day. I hope you were able to watch that video. If not, go back and look for it. It was my YouTube tip on Tuesday, week before last, and it was how to make a reusable Swiffer pad for the Swiffer wet jet so that you don't have to spend so much money on the throwaway kind. And it's also helping the environment a little bit. So I really hope that that helps, and I hope you are having a great day. I will see you later. Thanks. Bye.